let's see if we can clean that gap up a bit. I think that was very successful. So we'll put some more WD-40 on it, turn it then and soak it a bit. Rotate the input shaft coupling to position the rack 1 3/4 inches approximately from the top of the housing bore. What on earth is happening? Oh, we've got to take that off first. So we do need to get this off. You'd have thought they would have put a little like flats on it so you could turn it with or something around the bloody mould grips. Battery went flat at the most inopportune moment. I've got the vice grips on here. I put a little punch mark on here and a punch mark on there to say are we moving. And believe it or not, it's moving. Well, it isn't moving now, but it was moving. Yeah, look. I don't know if you can see, look. Moving a bit. Yeah, it's definitely moving. Oh, it's Formula 1 now. And that. Just have to be patient with things, don't you? Yes. Oh yes. Wouldn't like to do with this on the side of the road, would you? There she goes. Ta-da! Yeah, there's a seal in there. Right, what have we got in here? Well, there's the piston. Again, we're going to give all this lot of sandblast out once it's all stripped down into pieces. Now, it says, rotate the input shaft coupling to position the rack piston 1 3/4 inches approximately from the top of the housing bore. There we go. There we go. It's interesting to note, one of the things I've already seen in here which is interesting, the port that pushes the piston this way is built into the casting. Now if you're familiar with Adwest boxes from Defenders, that port is on the outside. It's a steel tube, it's easy to get damaged when you take the engine out. Slacken the retaining grub screw at the rack pad adjuster. Oh, I see. Oh, here. This bit here. So there's a little screw inside here. There's a little screw here. Again, same as Adwest, but we don't know we don't know if it's inch or metric. I guess it's inch. I think that's the one. It'd be something like one of these daft sizes, like 15/84. Again, we don't have to heat it up. Pretty good paint, isn't it? I like this stuff. What is it? I thought I did. Oh yeah, look here. Proform, it's semi-gloss black paint, enamel paint, and I think it's a primer and a paint together. It seems to be. Every time, eh? Now we mustn't lose this little thing here, because I doubt we'll get another one. Oh, we might not. Now it says, now we've got that grub screw out, we can take out the number 9, turn back the pad adjuster 2 turns. Oh my goodness, not 1 turn but 2 turns. That's just a slitting stone. It's thicker than the ones we use for parting off. It's thicker than that. But that now has cleaned up that groove a bit. That's when I'm wrong. That was causing it to slip. I might have to go because I think somebody's outside. Jim's got problems with his heater. There we are. There's a pad that goes on there, but it was an O-ring and some rusty stuff. So we need to get a magnet now of the oil. There we go. So that little pad there pushes on the rack. Keep that safe. Oh, I see why it was bloody tight. There's a nylon pin in here now to lock it. You can't really see it, but there it is, a little nylon pin. That's like the Land Rover one, but the Land Rover one's pretty small, it comes out. So we need a pin. Next. Turn the rack pad adjuster 2 turns. Well, I've took it out completely now. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll put that back in now. Now we've got that pad out. We'll take the O-ring off. Oops, I'm still on zoom, aren't I? So we'll take the O-ring off, put this back in a bit, and then back it off 2 turns like it says. But first of all, I'm going to put this through the wire brush and clean it up a bit. Everything in there's good. You wouldn't believe it was so much messing about just to get a bloody nut out, eh? Look at how easy it goes in now. Now we've taken them burrs off. So, 2 turns. 1, 2. Pretty straightforward, wasn't it? Next. Remove selector shaft adjusting lock nut. Good job we got some instructions. I'd be sort of lost without them. In the bag. Now, once these off here. So, what we're going to do is I'll probably pause this video here while I get the instructions. Oh, not even rusty. No, not that one. See if we can get. Can you see what I'm doing? Now we have to be very careful with this bit when we clean it up, because oh, there's a bushing in there. Oh, look at that, the bushings. Does it come out? Or is that where it's supposed to be? We shall find out later. Right, that's that. Now it's bleeding all over the place.